Hello everyone, it's me Krasimir Panayotov, and in this quick video guys I want to make a re-analysis on what I have done in the weekend so we can see where the market is actually headed and what moves we can take from now on. Now the first chart which we are about to see is the EURUSD, and I have mentioned to you that we are still in an uptrend, and this candle close on Friday says a lot about potential return of the bulls in the market. So this is exactly what we have seen. This is engulfing candle, powerful buy signal exactly on the support level, so it's a very good signal. Then on Monday we had this doji candle, or this candle indecision, which went a bit above the previous candle, so it's another confirmation for the engulfing candle. And now the second day we see another push to the upside, which is great. Now we are breaking through this channel level of resistance, or this channel trend line. So if we close above this line right here, if we close like this, like the way it's the price right now, we have a good confirmation for the price continue going up higher. Okay, that's good. If the price closes below the trend line, then we will have a massive pin bar candle, which is a rejection candle, and we will probably see a continuation to the downside. First we will target these lows over here, and then probably the next support and resistance zone, which already is a pretty strong level of support, and there we can watch for some buy signals. But if we are looking for long position, we have to again break this downtrend right here in order to take a buy for long-term trades. Or if you know, if you're scalping the 1 hour chart or the 4 hour chart or the 15-minute charts, you better to use this daily support and resistance level as an advantage in your trading. Okay, now let's move to the next pair and let it be EURGBP. So what we have here is this head and shoulders pattern, which for now is going straight to the downside. If this continues, then we will see another push to this next support level, and this is what I expect. Of course, if we break this downtrend, we can go up and retest the neckline, and only then to see another move to the downside. Okay, let's move to the next one, and this is the GBPUSD. Okay, and here we have a nice push to the upside for a third day. Okay, so Monday we had an attempt to break higher, and we went a bit higher than Friday, and that's good. That is a confirmation. Now we are currently at the resistance zone. If we go to the weekly, we can see that here we have a support and resistance level, very important level. So there is a chance the price to hold again this level. So on the daily, we're now breaking all these previous highs, which will target a lot of stop losses of traders and banks and these institutions. So there is possible way to break this level and to continue even higher. But if this level holds, of course, we can pull back to the downside and find support somewhere here. Okay, let's move to the next one, and I have shown you guys my trade on GBPCAD. So here I have mentioned this triangle pattern, which I'm trading right now and which I hope can get to its maximum target, so I can get some profits around this area. But also, if the price continue going higher, we can reach even this level of resistance up here. Okay, and that's beautiful. For now the price is correlating with GBPUSD, so it's going straight up to the upside. You see, this is the that's the Monday candle. Not very impressive, but it gives us opportunity to buy the price on half price. So you see this discount which you have here is exactly about the 38.2 Fibonacci level. I took a second trade. I have told you about in my previous video, because I want to make these two targets for me. Let me see again. The first target around the target of the triangle. If you want, I can give a link how to trade triangle patterns, and the second target on the next weekly resistance, because I feel like this one weekly resistance will get broken, and if that happens, we have a open road to the upside. Okay, and that's it for this market for now. Today on Tuesday is going pretty good, pretty bullish. Also, if we move to the 4-hour, we can see this nice sort of downtrend which got broken, and now we're going higher. Also, you can see something like a head and shoulders pattern with a left shoulder, head, and a right shoulder here, which of course can be traded as a continuational pattern as well, not only as a reversal. Let me show you something else. Let's move to the next market and let's see EURJPY. Okay, here we are rejecting
this area, so we will probably go bearish, but first we have to break this uptrend. Of course, it's possible we to go up higher. Here we have again inverted head and shoulders, which can lead the price up to the next resistance and even a little bit higher. That is also what I have spoken about in my previous video.
Now let's see gold, guys, and there is an interesting thing here. Now on Friday we had a correction to the upside, which continues this week with another 2 candles. Now if this candle closes somewhere here, then we have the 3 bullish white soldiers, which is a trading pattern that can give us clue for continuation to the upside. But also if we measure the Fibonacci levels here, let's say from the last impulse to the downside, we see that the price is reaching the 61%, which is very strong level of resistance for the traders, and as well as the 76%. That's another huge level from which the price can just melt down with the downtrend that actually gold is right now. I have mentioned to you this downtrend channel, which still can get respected. Here you have the resistance zone, a very important resistance zone right here. So possible downtrend can happen. Okay, let's see something else. USDCAD. Here we have the consolidation. Still we don't go nowhere, but I hope we will see some rise. That's what I need for my GBPCAD trade. Okay, these pairs correlate. Now New Zealand USD. Here we have the triangle pattern or the wedge pattern, which I have told you about. How many waves we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it's already a valid triangle pattern. So we have a breakout here. Very good breakout. Actually, the price closed 2 times above the resistance of the triangle, and now currently retesting that triangle support area. Okay, so if from here the price goes lower, then we'll probably test again these lows over here, but I think that this level will hold, and from here we can look for another push to the upside. And this is actually a very nice way to trade this pattern, because on the triangle pattern you can enter after a breakout like this one here, or you can wait for a retest. Oops, let me delete this. You can wait for a retest of the support of the borders of the triangle, okay, like we have now, and then enter with a smaller risk. So your entry will be much cheaper. You can put a stop loss, for example, here in the under these candles and in the middle of the triangle, or you can put it even here, and your target will be this same level, you put it on the top of the triangle. So your target will be exactly here, which aligns perfectly with another resistance, which I will show you now on the daily chart. Okay, that's this beautiful resistance right here. You see all these highs, that's how we trade it. But you can also see that in this time, the daily chart, if the daily chart closes like this is not beautiful, because this is pin bar, a strong rejection, and from here we can see a push to the downside, maybe to these previous lows, but maybe even lower to this low over here, or to the previous support area. That's good to know. Okay, what else can we analyze, guys? Just give me a pair. Give me the pair. Let's see. And the Bitcoin, which we which we have also analyzed. And you see, guys, I told you just 2-3 days ago, when I have made the previous video, that we have this resistance, which after gets broken, we expect a strong push to the upside. So we broke the 40,000s and we went straight to nearly 27,000. Let's see, 27,500. So this was expected, and I told you guys, I don't expect more than 50 or 60,000. That's the maximum for this season. But with this strong momentum, we can see another correction and another push to the upside, and then another small correction and another push. That's when the euphoria grows, and that's when the price is overbought. That's it, guys. Now with this pin bar, we can definitely see some big players taking profits and pushing the price down for a nice correction and a nice discount, which will allow again a cheaper price for the new investors to come and to push the price higher. Or if too much players take their profits, then of course the price will melt much lower. Here we have a good support area on these lows, so that's what is possible to see. Okay, guys, that's all from me for today. I wish you happy trading and successful trading week. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe the bottom subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next videos. Peace.